Hi, my name is Luis, and I am to ask the question of the exam for the position of electrical designer A. We're going to start. Um, what is the reason to apply for electrical designer position? Right. When I complete my studies, one of my biggest goals and dreams is develop myself a good engineer, and this position can provide me with what I'm looking for to enhance my growth and acquire the knowledge. I seek my professional life in especially if I am a great company like Siemens. My skills. I have a very basic skills and develop and design due to my limited experience, but my ability in communication and teamwork can help me to acquire uh, those skills and develop myself more effective. I'm a person with a lot of discipline and perseverance who tries to improve every day with a optimism, and I is always open to learning. Okay, the symbols. Mention the script three primary symbols of medium voltage switch were. Okay, um, I can see you can see three symbols. The first symbol is this is a fuse. The fuse, the symbol is in an electrical diagram because it represents protection for entire systems or a specific section of a circuit. It is very common to locate along with the fuse rating indications. The two symbol is this. It's an open switch, and the open switch is a symbol that's in here, and it is a manual control switch. Although automatic switches also exist, it consists of a switch that, when activated, allows us the flow of electrical current through that conductor. And the last symbol is this: is a ground. The ground symbol can be used a reference for cables or sections that have a connection to the ground for protections. The protections, the electrical protection. Okay, the first electrical protection is a 50-51. This protection is a combination to two protection, one instantaneous and one with a delay. Can see in the graph. In this graph, there is this point is a 51 protection that depends to the current. If the exact parameters to activation, the time is determined by difference. The greater current, the shorter time it takes to activate it. And the other part in this 50 protection. This protection that activates immediately. This open. The protection 27. Well, this protection is like a protection with integrated monitoring, which can take action if necessary, such an activate an alarm or trigger some other automation action, like deactivating something with a switch. And the protection 87 is an input and output tracking system that can indicate on the spec loss and identify any faulty components. It's verifies that the input and the outputs are the same. Well, the motor starters. The first motor starters. This direct online. It's a direction connection to power. Line is is a connection that, as the name suggests, doesn't require any tip or additional connection. The three phrases the path goes, the path goes directly to monitor the motor terminals, and it is a low cost and easy installation method, but it has some disadvantages, such as higher energy consumption and the no control to the motor rotation. The other motor starter is the start delta start. The start delta connection is a configuration in which three phases of the motor are connected differently. These three first phases are directly online of the motor, and the other three phases are connected in a delta configuration with a contactor that can be opened the switch between these two configuration manually or automatically. And the first start is with a frequency inverter. This connection is directly to a frequency inverter that varies and control the frequency for a better start. It is AC installation, and the protectable is the cost is higher. Well, I can see the calculate the fuse capacity. If I see the driving, I can see the power and the voltage. The power is 0.75 kVA, and the voltage is 4116. This is the first they calculate to the current. The rest of this 0.104, and this current this used in this form for the calculate of the fuse is the fuse is 0.13 amps. This very easy calculate. Okay, the pseudocode or the small pseudocode I can see in this part. We go to the online compiler we have run and put the 0 and the print the FBS 6. If I see the inputs and the condition, if it x is 0, print FBS 6, and the same is the J input. Well, this is all to my answer to this exam. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and see you later. I hope to see you later.